In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create appointment booking on Shopify. Shopify Booking System. We'll walk through installing a booking app from the Shopify App Store and configuring your first event so customers can pick a time that works for them. Start in your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, head to Apps, then choose Add. This opens a prompt to visit the Shopify App Store. Click Shopify App Store to continue. In the store, use the search bar and type something like appointments or booking. From the results, open an appointments and bookings app that integrates with Shopify's checkout. On its page, click Install, then approve the permissions to add it to your store. You may see a second confirmation screen. Go ahead and install again to finish. Once the app opens, you'll land on its welcome screen. Click Create your first event to begin. If there's an onboarding tour, hit Next. And when asked about plans, choose Continue with Free to get started. Then select Continue to Next Step to move into Setup. Now set your event details. Choose the appointment duration using the drop-down. You'll see useful presets like 15, 30, 60, and 120 minutes, plus a custom option if you need something specific. For most services, 30 minutes is a solid starting point, so let's pick that. Next, configure your booking policy. Look for an option like Customer should be able to book, and decide how far in advance people can schedule with you. Immediately, a set number of hours before, or several days out. Pick the rule that fits your workflow, then click Continue to Next Step. It's time to define availability. You can run this weekly, which repeats on the same days and times, or set specific days if this is a one-off or limited series. To demonstrate specific dates, click Select a Date and choose the day on the calendar. Then set your time slots by clicking into the highlighted start and end fields. If you have multiple windows, say a morning block, an afternoon block, and an evening block, add them by clicking the highlighted fields again to create separate ranges. This makes it easy to exclude lunch or breaks while still offering several options. When your slots look right, click Continue to Next Step. Finally, if you want this to run on a repeating schedule going forward, select Weekly. That way, your customers will consistently see your chosen days and times. That's it. The booking event is configured. After this setup, your storefront will display available times and handle confirmations automatically. For best results, double-check your time zone in the app settings and preview the flow as a customer to make sure everything looks perfect before you announce bookings live.